Hello, right, I lost the footage from the previous video and I managed to catch the second footage of this video when I was testing it. So I'm doing a slight review on Gaugemaster Scenic sound module. Sorry about the building work in front of me. It's actually over there and it's the pub. I turn it into a lamb restaurant, a lamb kebab. What am I thinking? Lamb kebab. Oh. So yeah, I'm at the doorway. Lean on that. What else have I done? It's not a review. All my 4MT tender loco is in. It's gone back to Backman for repairs. Yes, it's gone. One of the rod pins fell out. So I've had a lot of luck with standard locos. With the 3MT to this thing, who knows. Alright, back to it. I've decided to do a slight review. You'll hear the sound effects in the next part of this video. So look forward to it. And you might see a little bit of more of another surprise. Because this thing is so great, it attracts wildlife. Yep, that's the sound effects. Quite good actually, very good for rural. So instructions. So dog barking every 50 to 70 seconds. Cows barking 50 to 70 seconds still. Tractor every 50 to 70 seconds. Cats sit on top of roof every 20 minutes. Yeah, don't. I get this every day. Oh, even the bird singing is making the cat confused. Oh, don't rip the collar off. You ain't. Look, stop flicking. Stop flicking. Stop it. Well, that's the tractor. That's confusing him. Right. Let's stop looking at the cat with the fleas and back to the sound of the thing. To be honest, if it attracts cats, these musical birds singing, and I'm going to be doomed. Yeah, I'm going to be doomed. Yeah. I'm going to have more. Well, I've got one cat. Where's the other two? It is really throwing him off. Okay, Gaugemaster, you've made something really, really good. Psychologically, it can injure a cat, right? Right. What can I say? I recommend buying it if you've got pets. Prepare to get amazed. Right. Bye bye for now.